everyone, I'm Eva. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I've got a mystery box from my mystery box store. Yeah, it's called Euphoria Marketplace, and they do this is kind of what their website will look like. They're also on Facebook, and it's Euphoria Marketplace, owned by the lovely Matthew, and it's family. It's a family business, and they're based in Berkshire. They started up as a CBD business, and now they've kind of moved over to mystery boxes. And so they've got quite a few boxes on offer on the website, and also the Facebook page, which I will obviously put down below. The boxes starting from around £20, different themes. So yep, it is a new company that I've not heard of before. And he said he was going to send me over a box, one of their £50 boxes. I had no idea what to expect, but what I wasn't expecting was this. Yeah, it's heavy, and it's big, and it's huge. Okay, I have got no idea what's inside, but by the weight of it, there's quite a lot of stuff, so I'm going to have a mouthful of my brew and my penguin cup. And then I'm going to crack on with opening, because I reckon it's going to take me a while. Okay. Oh gosh. Why is it so hard to open? Oh my god. No, I'll just leave it there. There's so much stuff in here. We can do like 2 videos. Oh my god. Okay. I'm done. Ooh, okay. The first item, I'm not sure what it is. Like a rubbery unicorn, maybe like a mold. I think it's more like a mold, maybe. I'm not too sure. It's unicorn shaped. Maybe like ice, I'm just not sure what that's for, but it's pretty cute. And that's the first item. And there's that one. I have no idea how much even it is. I've just been told it's like a £50 box. Oh, they're cute. They call it photo frames. Heart shaped as well. I bet they're lovely. Look at them. There's those. God, there's just some stuff. Okay. Oh, there's a belt from Barrett. Okay, let's have a look at this. That's pretty cool. A woman's belt. A colourful animal print going on there. It's a small belt, and from Berry. So again, yeah, I'd wear that. Okay. Oh wow, got some hair extensions. Wow, okay, that's them. Babyless, they're like clipping ones. I see, this is going to be definitely worth more than £50. Oh, there's another one. I think maybe they are like little molds, like a love heart one. Just like silicone. So much. Yeah, number one. That's the round one. I'll have to find out what they are. Okay, next up is oh hello. What have we got here? It's like a purse, maybe? Again from Berry. What have we got? Yeah, I think it's bag. Ooh, okay. Like a little bag there. A clutch bag. Can I get it open? Yeah. Cool as. Right. It's actually really nice. I do like that. when I can eventually start going out again. There is. Not at the moment, but yeah, that's cool. Oh, this big thing. Oh, wow. This R2. You called R2D2. Thank you. Star Wars stuff. Look at that. Wow, was it R2D2? I think he's called. Oh, he talks too. Oh, wow. Oh my god. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. And there's that one. I've started something now, haven't I? What have we got here? Ooh, okay. We've got like I think it's like a sweetie set. So yeah. Little bits in here. Right, okay, so we've got a brushes. Got a brush. And we've got a skin mask. And we've got shiner and buffer for nails. Okay. Oh, we got a rugby. I think we got a rugby ball. Yep, rugby ball. This is a makeup bag. Makeup bag. In it. Oh, okay. Ooh, little makeup brushes in there, and the makeup bag. Oh my god, I love that. Okay. That's like a mermaid tail. Oh, so cute. Cute. Colourful mermaid tail thing from Assassin Belle. Cute. I think this might be a puzzle, maybe. Go have a look. Oh, okay. No, it's a decorated plate. How pretty is that? It's beautiful. I think I've got some more of these as well. Yeah, so that one's like a surf one. And that one is a London one. Which again, I'll just show you this one. Flights of London, it says. There we go. Oh really, I like those. Like ornamental plates. Okay, a few more items, quite a few more items off. Oh, okay. We've got a Lord of the Rings, like a collectible figure there. And in the magazine type thing. And that's what we've got. Okay. Oh. We've got a mister then, like bowl with all the mister men on them. I can't remember which one's which. That's pretty cool. I actually can't believe how much stuff in this box. It's amazing. What's this? What is this? I'm not too sure what this is. says South Mall. Oh, okay. One of the belts from there is like a tiger design. This one. It smells like leather too. And it says by very, size small. Is that one? Ooh, okay. We've got a game called Spot Bean Throw. And it says 3 players on it. It's in like this kind of jukebox tin. Using cards and an audio CD, it's memory jogging nostalgia. That's pretty cool. And we have a couple more things. There's 3 more things left. This is Starship. It's like a back mat, maybe. I'm overwhelmed with stuff. Oh wow, that's cool. I'm actually just in the process of painting my bathroom too, and that colour will actually go really well with the colours that I'm doing. So, and it's a star shape. Can you just about see that? Yep, so that's my bath mat. Should we do this too? I'll go with the squishy one. It's another item by Berry. I'm sure if it's a clothing or maybe it's a scarf. I think it's a scarf. Yeah, I'd say so. That's really nice. Actually, it's looking like fluffy. So much else about it, but that's my scarf. And then one final item, I think, is let's see if it's all what these. I'm thinking like placemats. I think they're like, yeah, I think they're kind of bamboo placemats. And there's 4 of those. Yeah, I said placemats for either indoors or out. Or even out as well, which I just found. Very thank you. And I think this is my final item. And I'm going to have to get my knife out for this one because it's in a box. And I'm not just spend time trying to bite it open. There we go. Careful when you play the knives at home, kids. That's what I'm doing. Nearly there. Oh, brilliant. So I've got some called like unicorns. This like a hanging ornament. Like the card there, maybe looks like a kind of Christmas tree ornament maybe. Ah, actually yeah. They've all got little hanging bits on and hung up. Yeah, cute, I like those. What's that? Just check that's everything. So yep, that is my box from Euphoria Marketplace. Just count the items. So we've got this day, it's 1. And then there's 4 of these. Back. There's a scarf. The bath mat, 7. The box of unicorns, 8. Belt. And 3 plates, which are lovely, maybe 12. The mermaid tail, the bowl, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, I think I bought those out, 26, 27, frames, 28, 29, so 29 items in total, and this was a £50 box. As you can see, it's worth, I'd say, triple that, maybe even more. It's amazing value. I will of course put all the details below, and as always, thank you for watching. I know it's been a long video, but it's certainly well worth it. That is Euphoria Marketplace, and a big thank you to Matthew for sending the box over, and I'll put all the details below. Thank you, bye.